Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ganitashi Maitri. Question is, the next number in series 072663 is what? So here 0, 7, 26 and 63. 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 19 is 26. And 26 plus 37 is 63. Now 7, 19 and 37 all are prime numbers. So we will check in relation with prime number concept. In between 7 and 19, there are 3 prime numbers 11, 13 and 17. In between 19 and 37, there are again 3 prime numbers 23, 29 and 31. So in between 37 and the next number, we will skip 3 prime numbers. After 37, the prime number is 41, 43 and 47. And next prime number is 53. So I will add 53 in 63 to get next number, that is 116 is the right answer. Option D is right answer here. Next question is, a merchant wants a gross profit of 25% on the sales. Then percentage should add to cost price will be what? So here merchant wants a gross profit of 25%. For profit, selling price is greater than cost price. And profit percent is given as SP minus CP divided by CP is equal to X%. Here given as 25%. So we can write it as 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4 is SP minus CP divided by CP. So after solving we will get 4 SP minus 4 CP equal to CP. So 5 CP equal to 4 SP and CP will be 4 upon 5 SP. Now if I let a CP is equal to 100, then to get the profit of 25%, SP must be 125. Now here CP is equal to 4 by 5 into SP. What percent should add to the cost price to get the profit is asked here. So here CP, that is 100 equal to 4 by 5 into SP. Means SP is 125 and percentage to be added to CP is 125 minus 100 divided by 100 into 100, that is 25% he should add to get profit. So option A is right answer. Next question is, in the department of university 100 students were admitted. Of the admitted students, 90% students appeared and passed in the final exam held 2 years later. Out of passing students, 1 by 5 passed in first division and 1 by 5 passed in second division. Then how many students passed in third division? The data is total are 100 students admitted, out of which 90% students appear. 90% of 100 is nothing but 90. So only 90 students are appearing for this exam, out of which 1 by 5 passed in first division and 1 by 5 passed in second division. So 1 by 5 of 90 is 18. 18 passed in first class and 18 passed in second class. So here ask how many students are passed in third class or third division. So just subtract this 18 and 18 from 90 to get the students passed with third class. 90 minus 18 minus 19, 90 minus 18 minus 18 is 54. So 54 students obtain third class. Option D is right answer. In a rectangle with one side 4 cm, 12 equal squares are kept. There are 3 rows, total 3 rows, each containing 4 squares. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, total 12 squares. There is no empty space in between adjacent squares. What is the area of each square? Now if I let this side is 4 centimeter, then the side of each square will become 1 centimeter. This square has 1 centimeter, this has 1 centimeter, as all the squares are of equal size. So as this is 1 centimeter, according to property of square, all the sides are same. So this side will also be 1 centimeter, this is also 1 centimeter, and this is also 1 centimeter. So total width of the rectangle will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 centimeter. And here what is the area of each square is asked. So area of any one of the square is nothing but side square, and side of the square is 1 centimeter. So area will be 1 into 1, that is 1 centimeter square. Option C is right answer. Here option C is right answer.